Hey guys, this video is about Christmas decoration. I was really excited during making this video. For decoration, I thought to make some cute houses. So I cut cardboard and made some houses. Then I used molded clay to decorate the houses. Now the fun part, I painted the little house. To decorate the house, I used beads, flower, and star. For the second house, I choose the color red and green. I like the second house very much. And guys, I also made two more houses. For this house, I made snowy roof and decorated with bell and stars. Christmas is incomplete without Christmas trees. For this, I have cut cardboard into three pieces in triangular shapes and joined the pieces with duct tape. Then I colored it green. Then I am going to wrap the green garland around this shape. Tada! This is our DIY Christmas tree. Now let's make a Christmas wall hanging. For this I have cut cardboard like a Christmas tree shape. I also draw a Santa. Behind the Santa I pasted a cardboard. Then I painted all the pieces and wrote on it. Finally it looks like this. I think it turned out really well. Now let's make a cute snowman. For this you will need two ball-shaped thermocol. Then spread some glue on the ball and apply cotton all over it. If it is not sticking well, then apply glue on top of the cotton too. Now for the hat, I am using red paper. For the hand, I simply use stick from broom. Oh, I forgot to color those hands. You can color it brown or black. For the eyes, I used black beads, and for the nose, I used a paper and made a cone of it and colored it orange. I have also wrapped a ribbon around his neck to make it look more cute. Our snowman is ready. Now let's arrange everything and decorate. On a table I put the tree and the house. I also used fairy lights. I used light inside of the houses too. Then I have hid the light with cotton. I have put the little trees, snowman, and I decorated the houses with wreath and star. I have also made a Christmas gate. Then I hang the what is now looking like a dreamy fairyland. Decorate your house and enjoy Christmas. And I have a wish that only you guys can fulfill. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Bye for now and Merry Christmas.